pull into the Goorang camping ground, still carrying the quiet weight of the ancient forest we walked through earlier in the day. That trail tested us. Steep climbs, roots like old scars in the earth, but every step was worth it. To stand among these towering trees, breathing air heavy with history, felt like touching something eternal. Now here, in this quiet clearing, the world slows down. The river hums in the background and the breeze threads through the gums. You can almost hear the echoes of the past. The Gunaikurnai people camping here, just as we are now, gathering, cooking, sharing stories under the same canopy of stars. This place has always been about connection, to land, to family, to the moment. On the weathered picnic table, we set up for the afternoon. The BYD Shark hums quietly, giving us power on demand. There's something liberating about it. No noise, no fumes, just the ease of having what we need, right here in the middle of nowhere. It strips everything back to what matters: fresh air, good food, and each other. Today's meal is a little unexpected, a dish dreamed up by a friend in Poland. It's a twist on Yum Neua, that vibrant Thai beef salad but turned into a burger. The bread rolls, bought fresh that morning from the Paynesville bakery, are impossibly soft, still carrying the warmth of the oven. The beef sizzles on the hot plate, filling the air with that unmistakable mouth-watering aroma, while we slice cucumber for the tang salad, crisp, cool and bright with lemon juice.
I forgot the pepper. Need more pepper.
It's easy to clean.
One.
Cooking here, surrounded by the quiet of the bush, is a kind of meditation. Every sound sharpens. The hiss of the meat, the scrape of the knife, the soft rustle of the leaves above. Each step of the meal feels unhurried, like the land itself is reminding us that there's no need to rush.
Look good.
When the burgers come together, the soft bread, the charred beef, the sharp, refreshing crunch of the cucumber salad, the first bite is everything. Simple, honest, perfect. A meal born of friendship, shared in a place where time seems to pause. And in that pause, there's us, sitting side by side, eating, laughing, soaking in this moment. It feels like building something that will last, a memory rooted in the land. In the quiet joy of simplicity, it's a love that grows the way the old trees grow, steady, patient, deeply connected to place. The Gunaikurnai people have felt that same connection for generations, this bond to the land, to each other, to the stories that shape who we are. And in our small way, on this quiet afternoon, we feel it too. As the last light softens across the campground, we sit back, plates empty and hearts full. The forest around us hums with its quiet evening song, a gentle reminder that these moments are rare, but they stay with us. Like the Gunaikurnai who have walked this ground for countless generations, we are part of something bigger here. Threads of memory and love, woven into the fabric of this place. And as we pack away for the night, we know this simple meal, this quiet afternoon will stay with us forever. A story etched in the language of the land and the warmth of being together. If you've enjoyed sharing this moment with us, we'd love for you to join us on this journey. Like, subscribe, share and comment so we can keep exploring these wild, beautiful places together. One story, one meal, one adventure at a time.